YouTubes, Vic's Pick and Lock. Excuse me. I just received a parcel this afternoon. I ain't got a clue who it's from, so we shall have a quick look. I've got a feeling I know who it's from. There's only really one person that it could be, so I'll just have a look. See if there's a note in here. It's just under 2 kilos of locks. So I think, yeah, I know it is. It's from Peter Platten. It can't be anyone else. Yeah, there's a note in there, great. And a free Tupperware box as well, cool. Of course, it's got tape on it, hasn't it? Bit clumsy, but here we go. So a quick look at the note. Yep, it's from Peter Platten. It's a note from Peter. He says not to make his challenge lock too hard. I've already done the video, so I might have to swap them around a bit. Right, here we go. We're in shop. It's a padlock. Or clasp, or casp. Okay. Nice. Yeah, cylinder. That's got some nice bitting on it. Cool. BTA lock, STA lock. Okay, it's a nice little bass one. Got my collection over in the corner. Whoa, protect. I can't see that. CISA? Yeah, CISA. That's a nice little one as well. Cool. I don't know this one. I'll try the keys later. It'll be a long video. That's a no-name one, but it's a 6-pin. Call F. Okie doke. Another 6-pin, there's a double one there, so there's 2. Yell, there's another 2. Amila. Oh, I've not done one of them. Okay. Peter, you done me proud again, mate. I'll have to tidy up now. So that was a parcel from Peter Platten, who's come to my rescue again, as he always does. There'll be plenty of challenge locks here, and I shall pick some and make some content with them as well. So fix, pick and lock, keep subscribing, pass it on, and tell your friends, and thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.